47% of adults nationwide have high blood pressure. It is advisable to concentrate on a general healthy dietary pattern rather than one particular meal in order to reduce blood pressure. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy are full of micronutrients that work together to control blood pressure. You should include some particular foods in your diet because they are high in nutrients that lower blood pressure. Here are the best foods to eat and stay away from in order to lower high blood pressure. What to eat? Bananas. These are good sources of potassium, which has been found to help decrease blood pressure. You should watch your potassium intake if you also have advanced kidney disease. If so, see your doctor before eating a lot of bananas. Blueberries. These have resveratrol, which aids in relaxing blood arteries. Additionally, they contain a lot of anthocyanin S, a class of plant pigments that support heart health. Spices. Your doctor will advise you to avoid the salt shaker if you have high blood pressure. Use spices to season your dish instead. Dark chocolate. It contains a lot of the antioxidants flavonoid cacao, which relaxes blood vessels and reduces blood pressure. It would be best if you took precautions because overeating will result in weight gain. Nuts. Magnesium and potassium are abundant in them. Additionally, they are high in fiber and good fats, which aid in controlling cholesterol. This enhances blood vessels health, which lowers blood pressure. Yogurt. Regular yogurt consumption may reduce blood pressure by roughly 7 points. Probiotics, a type of beneficial bacteria that may also aid in controlling blood pressure, are abundant in many yogurts. Beets. Beets and leafy greens are examples of nitrate-rich vegetables. Systolic blood pressure was on average 2.6 points lower in people who consumed the most of these items than in people who consumed the least of them. Condiments. Sodium levels can be high in ketchup, soy sauce, bottled salad dressing, canned salsas, and mustard. To enhance flavor, look for variants with less sodium or choose vinegar or lemon juice. Canned beans unrinsed. Beans themselves are good for the heart and can lower blood pressure, but the canned type is frequently salty. You can still consume canned beans, but you can cut down on the sodium content by briefly washing them in lukewarm water. Baked goods. The first place item on the list of the leading sources of sodium is bread and rolls. The sodium content of a slice of bread is normally between 100 and 200 milligrams, but if you eat a lot of bread, which many of us do, it can mount up. Keep as far away from baked products as you can. Alcohol. Alcohol can weaken the heart's muscles and is harmful to the organ. Your blood pressure may also go up as a result.